local potters and shopkeepers to sell their goods. We have shown this model to show the famous food items of Chhattisgarh and the things like the Mahua Laddu, Bastarad, millets, terracotta, mushroom, earthen clay toys, procession sari, etc. We want to give a message that we can buy and use the product that were made in our state to help the local potters and shopkeepers. And now let's all be vocal for local and build a Viksit Bharat. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to represent my knowledge and help Chhattisgarh to be good. Thank you.